basically identify, so they knew exactly where that sample came from. Then they would bring them up here and they would grind a sample up into fine sand. And that sand contains gold and silver. So now you take a crucible and we start weighing very carefully about an ounce, called an assay ton, on a very sensitive scale. And then put lead oxide, borax, and soda ash, put that into the oven, a furnace until everything melts.
Wow.
What happens when you melt sand?
Silicone.
You get glass, right?
Yes.
You get glass, of course. But at the bottom of this sample
Wow.
is that little lead button that contains gold and silver.
Wow.
Now the glass they don't want, they throw that away. They did about a dozen of these at the same time. So they broke that off, and then they took this guy called a Coupel. Please don't touch. It's the only sample I have,
Oh.
and I don't want to lose it. A Coupel. And this is made by taking the bones of sheep, burning them, and then using the ash with a mold and a little water to make that into this little cup. Put the lead button in there, put it into the furnace until everything melts. This acts like a sponge and absorbs the lead. And what's left over is a little tiny gold bead called a little tiny gold bead.
So there's your gold.
And that contains gold and silver. Now we weigh that, put it into a parting cup, put nitric acid in there, which dissolves the silver, weigh it again, and now we know how much that assay sample is worth. And if it assays out to $7, remember that $7 we talked about? He writes that on his assay map at the location that was found. So all of these are number values. So it assays out to $2,
Don't go back.
we're not gonna work there. If it assays out to $12, we have high grade. Okay, so, you know, so it's important that they only work where they're gonna make money.
And every sample's spotted on this.
Every sample is plotted on that assay. So now, they take a sample off the gold bar, weigh it, put it in a parting cup, dissolve the silver away, weigh it again, and now we know how much gold and silver is in that gold bar, and therefore the number is stamped on the gold bar.
So the gold and the silver naturally mixed together in the ground.
Yeah, there's
And that's why there's silver
there's other trace elements in it.
there? Yeah.
So a gold mine always has silver, a silver mine always has gold.
Yeah.
So if it's predominantly gold, it's a gold mine. If it's predominantly silver, it's a silver mine.
They're both heavy because I know they have a low.
Yeah.
They're mellow.